Hi guys, that's DidyToys, and today I want to show you a new toy created by me. This cute unicorn is made of thin Italian velour. The toy is quite small, but all the parts of its body are movable. It can sit and move its arms and its head. If you want to create a similar toy, the button is already available on Etsy. And here I'm going to show you a bit of a process. So, I believe we can start now.
I used thin Italian velour of this unicorn, one main color, white for hooves and muzzle, and 3 more additional colors for mane and tail. I will also use thin acrylic yarn for horn, amigurumi joints, scissors, pins, amigurumi eyes, 1.3mm crochet hook. I start by crocheting the head, white color first. As always, 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring and then expanding till I get a proper size. The muzzle is ready, it's time to change to main color. I decided to make my unicorn light gray. As I mentioned earlier, I'm going to use amigurumi joints. I will use wooden and metal discs with cotter pins. I ordered them from AliExpress and the pin's shape is not quite what I need, so I just shaped them by myself. I find the middle of the bottom part of the head and insert the joint. After that, I continue crocheting, stuffing the detail and crochet till the end. That's how the head looks like at this point, and that's okay, though you may think something really odd came out. The next part is the body. I use main color and probably there is nothing especially interesting about crocheting it. After several rounds, I attach the head and fasten the joint, then crochet till the end according to the pattern. I stuff it quite tight, as well as the head, so it has a proper shape. The body is ready. The next step is legs crocheting. I start from white color, imitating hooves, and then change to gray. I stuff them a bit in the process, compare the two legs so that they come out similar in size and shape. As always, I fasten the thread and weave in the tails. The arms are quite similar to legs, but a little smaller, so almost the same process. I use 4mm plastic eyes, but unfortunately that particular size rarely comes with special washers for securing, so I'll just glue them using transparent glue. I decided to use a completely different yarn for horn, thinner than the main one, and an absolutely different color, contrasting the toy stones. That way it looks better for me. I should say it was quite challenging to crochet ears which were good enough in shape and size. After several failed attempts, I finally got something similar to what I imagined. Almost all parts are ready. The last thing to crochet is curls. Several long curls for the mane and some short ones for the tail. I made 5 long and 3 short ones. That's more than enough for a unicorn of this size. I first attach everything to the head and body to understand how it looks as a whole, then sew the details one by one. The first thing to sew is the horn, then the ears. I always leave tails for sewing. That's more convenient than using another thread for that. After the ears are attached, I sew the arms and legs. If you sew the curls first, they will definitely get in the way while attaching arms and legs. I attach the arms and legs in a way that they still remain movable after sewing. A few final touches and the toy is ready. First sew the tail and then the mane. While sewing the mane, I arrange the curls so that the colors don't blend. Finally, weave in all the yarn tails. And don't forget to embroider nostrils as I did. The unicorn is ready, and I absolutely love it. It came out even better than I imagined it. Thanks for watching, and I will really appreciate it if you follow my channel, like and comment. There is nothing more rewarding and motivating than your reaction. Thank you!